So another video in repairing things without having a clue what I'm doing. So we have a device, which I'm not going to mention the words because otherwise it just gets picked up on YouTube. And what we have is an issue, actually, oops. On the other side we have an injector for shells, and the current issue is that there's an ejector pin here. It's essentially spent cartridges. Normally when you open a gun will spit the cartridges out, and in this case on this side somewhere along the line I've lost the ejector pin. So after get it some time, it's taken a long time to get a replacement from Browning. So what I need to do is extract it, is basically get it in the ejector, which should be interesting because, well, I'll show in a minute. So I'll just take this apart. Fore end off, and what we actually need to do is be able to get the bits out to do the injectors. We'll work out how to get this out. A bit of scoring, let's clean that up at some point. Anyway, looks like I've gone about this wrong way. Hey, fantastic. Anyway, let's have a look a bit better. So it turns out part of this is actually screwed in, so we've actually got a screw here. So I should be able to get it. And this should actually then allow me to remove the whole piece out. That's actually what I really wanted to do. So it looks like our injector screw really actually rests on the inside, so maybe if I've done this properly it'll be alright. So oops, and I've lost it. So let's just pause this a moment. Fortunately that was easy to find on the floor, so let's try again. So let's try again. So I've got a bit of spray, just going to get a little bit clean. Oh, so they're all left there. So I should be able to see, oops, There's a little L, shows which way, whoops, go that way around. L shows which way around it goes. You just seem to be slightly out. Ah, okay. Just screwed in just a little bit too far. That's better. So should be able to take our other screw. And that's it, no more losing the ejector, hopefully. That one seems a little bit more flush. Interesting. I just need to make this a slight bit more adjustment. Oh, interesting, it doesn't run quite flush. That's catching slightly, so let's make it a little bit looser. Okay, so it's free running now. At it, so look on the underside of the other one. Interesting. Screws are a slightly different size. Actually, that's fairly clean in there. The scoring's just on the left hand side. To give this all proper clean at some point, but it's actually not too bad. Okay, so let's just put that all back together. So half a screw. Wash off my hands after this. And I've managed to get oil over the desk. Okay, so that should now mean that I don't lose the ejector every time. Oops. Okay. So what I can do, so I can test that it actually works. Yep. Okay, that one's Okay. Better. So these ejectors work a bit on the fact that when you pull them to actually switch to the second one, it requires a bit of impact. So normally when you pull the trigger, it would normally not allow you to use the second one until it knows that you fired it. So like that. So I can oops, not hard enough. There we go. Ejectors work and I'm not losing them.